Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap.
I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy.
Okay.
Remember that.
You didn't come this far just to come this far.
Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my love. Really seem like I wanna test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express my love for you. I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
Okay.
Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall to see what damage I could do.
Okay.
I give you the world, but there's other planets too. And I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about.
So I'm out of the shower now. Yeah, once again, y'all, sorry I'm doing vlog style. I know the people on my channel that like hair content like sit down videos, but I'm doing my hair, so it's easier for me to do it vlog style. But I just got the shower. My towel was too small, so I added a clip to it. My hair is still clipped in the back. This is what it's looking like. It usually only takes me about 10 minutes to wash my hair, but since I was recording, it seemed like it took me longer. I don't know. But then I also ended up taking a decent length shower. I wouldn't say long. Also, guys, I lost a lock in the shower. This is one of my ones that had a lot of slippage. It needed some help and I didn't save it in time, but it's okay. I can always put it back in. But yeah, I'm about to do my skincare and then I'll get to y'all. I'll get back to y'all. The retwist is looking steep for today and I can't find any clips, but I'm gonna try. If not, I'm gonna have to do it when I get back home tonight or tomorrow morning. So for my back to school hair, I either want to do this style, it's really cute, or this style. Well, I can't do two strand twists, so I'll probably do like the two strand twist look with the bob. I don't know. Yeah, so tune into my back to school maintenance vlog to see what style I do. But in this video, we're just gonna be retwisting. So yeah, I'll do my skincare and then I'll see y'all in the next clip, which probably have to be either silent or another voiceover, because when I talk to y'all, I take up way too much time. My fingers are literally tied and wrinkled. Like, this is why I think I might keep the locks in, because this wash day is nothing compared to my old wash day with my loose hair. So, because man, that was like an hour shower. I'm back, skincare is done. So on wash days, I just, after I wash my hair, usually, like I told y'all, I have conditioner, but I did not have conditioner today. So I did end up using this Dark and Lovely conditioner. This is just a conditioner that came in a box dye when I dyed my hair, and I be having a lot of these because I used to dye my hair often, so I just use this to substitute for the meantime. But sometimes I don't use any conditioner at all, and then once I'm out of the shower and I have my hair all dried, I use this Mielle leave-in conditioner. I've been using this for like 2 years, I think, even before I had locks. and I just really like the way it smells. I guess it works. I think it works. I don't know. So on wash day, after I dry my hair, I use these two, the Mio rosemary oil and then the Mio leave-in conditioner. I use these when I get out the shower. But on a regular maintenance day, I'm gonna make my spray bottle with you guys. The mist spray bottle is better. I just could not find one at the beauty supply, so I got this from Dollar Tree. Just a regular spray bottle. When I remember, every other day, when I'm about to leave out, like a part of my daily routine, I spray this on my hair when I'm about to style it, just to keep my hair moisturized because I don't want dry and brittle hair. So I'm just gonna make it with you guys. I'll show you guys everything I put in it. So I put in the Mio leave-in conditioner, the oil, and 3 other oils: regular castor oil, peppermint oil, really just for the smell, even though it already's gonna smell good, and then Jamaican black castor oil. All of these mixed with water. Purified water is what I've been using. I think you can use regular water. I really don't know. I just use a water bottle because why not? It lasts me basically a month, so it's really not like it's that serious. You can use whatever water you want to use. These are the 2 main products, and then the oils I only put a little bit in because I already have a lot of oil in here and I really don't want to have buildup in my hair. And there's no exact measurements, I just eyeball everything. And then once you have all your little ingredients in there, it should look like this. And also guys, I've seen a lot of girls on TikTok that have locks, micro locks, regular size locks, sister locks, whatever. I've seen them add rose water instead of regular water to their thing, and they say that that works. I haven't tried it yet, but if you want to add rose water, you can do that. And I also seen another girl say that she adds distilled water. Not sure what the benefits of that are. So the rest of the process is basically just water. You just fill the rest up with water. But then it looks like gross like that, and you just shake it up. It should look like a little milky consistency. You shake it up more to get all those little dots out, which is just a conditioner, but I really don't feel like doing it right now because I'm not using this today.
All day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy. I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue. Trap, take me off the market, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's all rap. And I'm tryna hit the rap. Tryna hit the
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You f like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry just like a Greco. Hit around with nigga called Petro. Suck it, nigga, shoulda knew it from the get-go. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. It's when they come to me, they'll play with it. See, on me, yeah, that's something that I stay with. The brothers They ain't really nothing to play with. Steady chatting when I ran down, she ain't say my head is gon' bang quick. Fuck around and get dangerous. Stack like bimbo. Slap up to my timbo. Toes, no, I ain't playing games, no Xbox, Nintendo. Real bitch, no force. I stand on it, that's 10 toes. Pulled up with the big body with the dog tints on the window. He says she's so sweet. They gon' wanna lick her right off. Let them taste the then I kick them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wig pushed back if the nigga try to fall. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Just lay it. Spin or play it. My hitters don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. They stay with it. I'm okay with it. When they come to me, they don't play with it.
So I am finished with, oh, my edges look terrible. I'm finished with the retwist. I'm kind of finished. I have two of these little sections that I'm not done with because I have to go. I don't have time to finish it, but I am going to finish it when I get home. But this is the finished product for you guys. This is what it's looking like. I think it's pretty cute. They look nice and fresh. This is the back. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. The way I'm going to keep up with my retwist is I'm going to tie it down with a scarf and wear a bonnet at night. And all of my pillows and my covers are silk, so that's how I maintain my hair when, you know, it's not freshly retwisted or retied. But that's pretty much the end of this video. I look a little crazy, but y'all get it. Okay, bye.